So we're feeding Liam pears. Only seems to want it off of my finger. I will try on the spoon again. Sometimes I can trick him. That's okay, isn't it? Yeah. That was pretty good. Doesn't take it as good as the other finger. Hi, Liam. He's just staring. Yum, yum, yum. Are you watching Grandma?
Yeah. Oh, num 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 num. I suppose I had my finger right in front of the lens. Ooh. That chair is kind of nice for him, Jessica.
I think it's really nice, yeah.
Yeah, he's all ready. He's just big enough now where he can sit in the chair. Ooh, oofda. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
You want some more? Good job. Do you want a little sip of water?
Oh my goodness, sometimes those pears are kind of sour, aren't they? Yeah. Oh. Ooh, good. One shiver after the next.
Not good? Here you go.
Oh, you're done, aren't you, sweetie?
Are you all finished?
Yeah. We need a word for that, Liam.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Oh, oh, we're just rubbing those eyes. Yeah, what's Grandma? Grandma's taking your picture. Oh. Yay.
Good job, buddy. Ooh. Here, we'll give you some toys now. We'll give you some toys.
Hi. Oh.
Told you.
That aftertaste of the pears, huh? Oh yeah, now it's fun. Oh, oh goodness. What do I grab first? Heavenly days. All right. Oh, yay. Bye, Liam.
Bye-bye.
Say ba 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 ba. 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 And cheers.